Alright, welcome to another segment. In today's class, we're going to be making tree. Now, how to make tree? The easiest way to make tree in Blender, go into edit mode, go to preferences. When you do that, go to add-on. Alright, go into edit mode, preferences. Click on add-on. Now search for tree. Click on this. Good. Sampling tree. Then save it. And then click on this. So what you do is press Ctrl Shift A. Good. Then under the curve property, scroll down. Good. Sampling tree generator, and then click on it. Now this is a tree. Now you can see we have a tree here, so you can do whatever you want to it. You have made a tree. Now to add leaves and other stuff, come to this place and then click on it. This geometry is to add different shapes to your tree. Now watch out, when I click on this, see there's a curve. Now if I bring it back to 1, let's say 1, check the resolution. You see the tree is not as smooth as it should, but when I turn it to 4, as you can see, the smoother it becomes. The more you increase it, the smoother it becomes. Now you can do a lot of things here, the shapes of the tree, change it to whatever you want, like that. So if I click on this, now watch what happens. The tree begins to change in shape and form. Good. So we're going to leave it the way it was. Just try several examples and see how it works for you. Now the scale, you want to reduce it in size. If I reduce it to 4, now the shape, the size also reduce. Now go into this place, you see geometry. Click on it. If you want to add leaf, click on this leaf and then show leaf. Good. So you can see that we have different leaf. Now, in this place, you can change the shape of the leaf into whatever you want. So we have rectangle, we have them different depending on what you choose. Let's leave it in hexagonal, and then you can change the number of leaf here. Let's say we want it to be 100. So depending on your system, depending on your computer, so this is what you have. And also you can change the shape of the leaf also here, choosing any one of your choice. Good. So the more anything you do here will affect your tree. And then you can also change the scale, the leaf scale, whatever you want here. You can change it. Just try it and see what you want. Also, there are a lot of things here that you can do. The branch radius, how you want the radius to be. You can work resolution, the scale size. You can close the tip. Anything you click on work. If you want to prune, you can do a lot of animation. So this is how to make a tree without stress in Blender. Good. So we're going to be adding colors to the tree. Okay, so to add material color to this object, you can do you can use a texture material, but here I'm just going to use a simple basic material, just the color, and just add something here, whatever color I decide to use. So I'm just going to make it green, yes, and then make it a little bit dark. Good. So I'm just using basic color here. So for this video, I'll also do the same thing, just add just a dark color now. Good. So I'm going to make it a little bit dark brownish. Good. So this is just a simple way to create a tree. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.